Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper and the additional. Yes, yesterday, Thursday, June the 10th. Because today, on Friday, June 11th, there are no additional with extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper on Thursday. So this will be the third puzzle, and it will be number 2933. Yes, 3. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. Double 1 here and O there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double 1 here, no there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Then, do we need to compare? That's the question. Let me see. Alright. How about this column in the first column? Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. Then we need to compare again. How about, I cannot compare this row. I have a double 1 here. So double 1. This row I cannot compare. So I need to compare the columns. Double O. Double 1. O. Yeah. How about this column and that column? O 1 1 1 1 O empty box, 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. By the way, I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a few minutes or seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.